Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what have we got for you today? Let's open the case up, and there we have it. A lovely Sheaffer fountain pen. Does what it says on the tin. Now, this box or this case might be a slightly later one, but I just found it, so I thought I'd put this pen in it, help to protect it, etc. So, let's put the case to one side, and let's show you this lovely fountain pen. What we've got for you here is a Sheaffer Lifetime Balance fountain pen, or a Sheaffer Balance 875. As you can see, it comes in this what we term as a torpedo shaped, and this specific model is the long slender version. As you can see, it's quite a slender pen, and when I say it's long, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's 136 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 10.5 millimeters in diameter, and as you can see straight away, it comes in this lovely striated golden pearl colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now the Sheaffer Balance pens, they made them in lots of different variation and sizes, in different colours, etc. But as I say, this one is the long slender version, and it's dated, I would say, from late 1930s, around about, I believe, around about 1938. Now, as you can see, it's a lever filled fountain pen. It's got this quite a straightforward lever to the pen there. If I turn the pen round and then we show you the barrel imprint, okay, let's give it a little bit of a twirl so you can see it, and it reads, I think it says Sheaffer Pen Company, W.A. Sheaffer Pen Company, Fort Madison, Iowa, USA, patented in the USA. Okay, so a nice clear barrel imprint. If we take you up to the cap, you can see it's got this quite a broad gold plated cap band to the bottom of the cap there, and then if you look at the clip there, there's a sideways view. It's got what I term as the sort of slightly later clip, the early one being the what I term as the humpback clip, and this one is slightly different. To the very top there you can see the recognisable white dot to the top of the pen there. So all in all, a stunning example, gorgeous pen. Now the pen came to me, it was in a little bit of a sorry state, just a little bit tired. I fully restored it, I've put a new sack in it, I've cleaned everything. One of the other things with this pen, when I received it, it had quite a large, well, here's a picture for you. You can see it's got quite a large sort of gouge, if you like, to the end of the barrel. Okay, so what I've done, I've actually filled that in, and there we go, we've actually removed it, so in my opinion looks 100% better. Okay, so let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give it a couple of the customary twirls. In absolutely lovely condition, gorgeous pen. Let's pop the cap down. Let's take you up to the section. You can see the section is quite short. It's also got the ink view section, as you can see there, which is transparent. You can see the ink feed sort of wick, if you like, inside there. So again, nice and clean. It's got this little ridge towards the nib, and then if we take you up to the nib, the reason we're calling this the Sheaffer Lifetime Balance because it has what we term as the lifetime nib, and you can see it's a two-tone nib. It's gold and I believe it's palladium silver mask to the very top there. And let's just bring it a little bit closer for you. Okay, and you'll see that it's to the top of the nib. It has, I believe it's a serial number. I'm not too sure of that specific number, so if anybody can sort of tell us precisely why it has this number, then that'll help us all, I'm sure. And then it says Sheaffer Lifetime, registered US Pat Office, and to the very bottom it's got made in USA. Let's give you a slightly different version, a different view. A lovely nib, as I say, the lifetime nib. There's a sideways view, and then if we take you underneath there, you can see the very recognizable feed for this particular pen for this specific period, and again everything lovely and clean. A lovely pen, a very nice size, although it's what they term as a slender, with it being long, as you can see. As I say always, I've got large hands and it fits my hands, no problem at all, and it's nice and comfortable to hold and to write with. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to fill the pen and do, because basically I've cleaned everything inside. We've put a new sack, so I'll leave the filling of the pen to the new owner. But what we'll do, it'll be interesting to see how the pen writes. So to my right here I've got my ink. Let's just dip it in the ink and let's just do a writing sample. So what we have is the Sheaffer Lifetime Balance fountain pen, or as I said, some people call it the 875. Sorry, the reason they call it the 875, as we showed you a little bit earlier, on the barrel imprint there to the very bottom, there we go, I think you should be able to see it there. You can see it has the number 875. I also believe that the 875 may have been how much the pen actually cost originally. In this case $8.75. Whether that's true or not is questionable. It's writing very nicely indeed, and as you can quite clearly see, it's writing unmistakably with a fine line. So there we have it, writing very nicely, definitely writing with a fine line, a lovely writer. So let's pop that to one side. We'll clean the nib once the video's finished, and there we have it. Let's leave it at that. So a lovely Sheaffer Lifetime Balance 875 from late 1930s, made in the USA in this gorgeous striated golden pearl colour. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you. People, don't be shy, leave a comment below, give the video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and down below, if you possibly can, please support my work. last but not least, very important, wherever you people are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.